Yes, that's our video team. So wherever we go, they want me to talk more so that they can hear. So hope you enjoyed the inauguration. We'll send it to everyone if you want to share it with anyone in the college. You can do that. So one last point I want to make is whenever I went to any of the colleges proposing something like this, the first thing they always ask me is how much we need to pay you. Right? Because a lot of companies come and they try to do some training and they ask you for money, and that is a business that they run. So we are not into that. We are a fully profitable organization. We make a lot of money. We are very profitable. We have no interest in college paying us any money. The only reason why we are doing it here is because we want to be close to students. Whoever is coming and working in our labs as interns, we will pay them. And we pay them really well. We are only looking for good talent. So that's one of the things I want to make sure everyone is clear, because there's a lot of confusion about it early on. People are not used to this kind of model that we create. So hope you enjoyed everything that we saw here. As next part of the program, I would like to have some of the dignitaries here to come and share some of their thoughts on this particular thing. So Dakshina Murthy, sir, if you can please come and share a few words, that would be great.
Friends, I would like to say 2 words here. One, Mr. Raju, you are an old friend of this institution. There is a good alumni association. That time Mr. Raju, Professor, hope you know him. Raghu is there. He is so I request all the alumni to join the alumni association. On the eve of every university is status, so it requires strong alumni. So my personal request to everyone to join the alumni association. Mr Sitaram Penumetsa. Sir, one more request to you. Because we have 3 engineering colleges in 3 different campuses. So my personal request to you is, please go around the institutions, other institutions. We have a degree college, we have a professional college, and an engineering college in Pushpapa, and computer technology over in the. So please take this video then and address the faculty there. If possible, student, not at least address the faculty in the importance of this. And see that this will not compromise. The industry, social platform, do not come and go, and other things will not go. So my personal request is what here the only thing because I thank you very much and all the people do the knowledge and the earlier we said that the price are remaining we are not able to help what we want to continue.
All you're saying was
educate the student and do the help
सभा सरस्वती अपि स्वर्णमयी लंका नमे रोचति लक्ष्मण जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी లంకా పట్టణాన్ని జయించిన తర్వాత లంక పూర్తిగా రాముడు మాట్లాడలేదు, నిశ్చలంగా నిలబడి ఉన్నాడు. లక్ష్మణుడు మనసులో ఉన్న మాట ఏంటంటే, బంగారు పట్టణంలో నివసించడం అనేటువంటిది చాలా అదృష్టవంతులకే దక్కేటటువంటి విషయం. అక్కడ ఉందాము కొన్నాళ్ళు అని లక్ష్మణుడు మనసులో ఉంది. ఎప్పటికీ రాముడు మాట్లాడకపోతే ఒక్కసారి చూద్దామన్నా చూసి వెళ్ళిపోదాం, కళ్ళ భాగ్యం కదా అని అడిగితే రాముడు చెప్పిన శ్లోకం అప్పి స్వర్ణమయీ లంక నమే రోచతి లక్ష్మణ. స్వర్ణమయమైనటువంటి ఈ లంక నిజమే లక్ష్మణ, నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు. జననీ జన్మభూమిశ్చ స్వర్గాదపి గరీయసి. అందుకే వాళ్ళ అమ్మ నాన్న ఇతనికి ముందే పేరు పెట్టే తెలుసుకుని ఈ మాట. అతని పేరు సీతారాం. అందుకు కారణమైన కూడా కలిపి పెట్టారు. వాళ్ళ అమ్మా నాన్నలకు ఒక్కసారి భగవంతుడు తన సంకల్పాన్ని ఏ రకంగా ఎప్పటి నుంచి చూపిస్తాడు అనేటువంటి దానికి నిశ్చలమైన నిదర్శనం ఇది. ఈ ఆయురారోగ్య ఐశ్వర్యాలు కలగాలని నా మనసులో ఉన్న ఈ మాట చెప్పడానికి, చెప్పకుండా ఉండలేకపోవడానికి నన్ను మీరు ఏ విధంగా శిక్షించినా ఒప్పుకుంటాను. దీన్ని ఉపయోగించుకోండి. పిల్లలందరికీ నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, శాతం వర్షం కూడా ఉపయోగించుకోండి, దీన్ని ఉపయోగించండి. ఇండస్ట్రీయే మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్కి వచ్చేసింది. అంతకంటే ఇంకా మరి మీ ఇంటి ముందునే పాలన అని మనకి ప్రభుత్వం చెప్తూ ఉంటుంది. అది నిజంగా చేసి చూపించడం జరిగింది ఇక్కడ. తప్పకుండా దీన్ని ఉపయోగించండి. సీతారాం యొక్క ఆలోచనని తప్పకుండా ఆచరణాత్మకంగా చూపించి, నేను ఇంకా చెయ్యాలి ఇక్కడ, ఈ పిల్లలు చాలా బాగున్నారు అని మన గాయత్రి విద్యా పరిషత్ని మెచ్చుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే గాయత్రి మాత, గాయత్రి ఈజ్ ది గాడెస్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్. జ్ఞానానికి గాయత్రి మాతే జ్ఞానం ఇస్తుంది. మనం చదువుకుంటే, చదువుల తల్లి సరస్వతి మనకి ఏమిస్తుంది? చదువు చదువుకుంటే సర్టిఫికెట్లు వస్తాయి, జ్ఞానం రాదు. జ్ఞానం రావాలని రాసి పెట్టలేదు. నా గాయత్ర్యా పరమంత్రం నా మాతృ పరదైవతం, ఈ రెండు ఉన్నాయి ఆ అబ్బాయిలు. అందుకే అంత పడేది. అందుకే ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ మనం నిలబడి ఈ మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. దానికి కారణభూతులైన వాళ్ళ అమ్మకి, నాన్నగారికి, నాకంటే చిన్నవాళ్ళు అయి ఉంటారు, నమస్కారం పెట్టకూడదేమో, వాళ్ళ తల్లిదండ్రులకి నమస్కారం, అంతకంటే మరి ఇంకేం లేదు. తప్పకుండా పిల్లలందరూ, స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్స్ కూడా ఈ ల్యాబ్ని, సీతారాంని పూర్తిగా ఉపయోగించుకోండి. అందులో ఏ విధమైనటువంటి అరమరికలు లేకుండా మనవాడే మన దగ్గరికి వచ్చాడు, తన దగ్గరికి మనం వచ్చాం, మన దగ్గరికి తాను వచ్చాడు. ఇది మనం నేర్చుకోవాల్సినటువంటి విషయం. ఒక మనిషితో మరొక మనిషి కలయిక అనేటువంటిదే విజయానికి సోపానం. అది చేసి చూపించాడు. మీరందరూ తప్పకుండా ఒకసారి అభినందన పూర్వకంగా ఆయనకి
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for all your guidance. Prasad sir, you can comment how you want this.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. మనం ఆల్వేస్ వీఆర్ థింకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ర్యాపో బిట్వీన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అండ్ అకాడమీ, అండ్ ద ఫ్యూచర్ ఆల్వేస్ హ్యాస్ టు గో with the hand in glove type of approach between industry and academy. And for academic institutions like Gayatri Vidya Parishad, we already started to have this sort of approach with industry, but today's lab opening, in the office opening here in this institute itself, is totally a different approach. It is not just an understanding, but it is as good as owning you into the institute and yourself owning the education institution with you. So this is the best way of approach between the industry and academy. Probably it is not started in this way, at least in Visakhapatnam so far, but rarely started anywhere else also. So I congratulate our Somaraj Garu for this idea, and also congratulate Sitaram for being the first one to be the part of this Gayatri Vidya Parishad with his office in this institute. I am sure that in future, seeing your success and our success, many more organizations are going to establish offices in our campus, and the direct beneficiaries will be the faculty and the students. Not only students, faculty also. Generally, faculty, we go with the theoretical background, and we always teach the same way. When a student asks in what way I can apply this concept, again, we'll have to think of it, and we'll take some lot of time to clear their doubts. But now, immediately the faculty have the direct chances of approaching this practical industry and clarifying the doubts very immediate next moment. So, I am sure that this will be the beginning of a change of the new era in our academic institution. Of course, another new era also will be very soon approaching us. With these few words, I wish this program a great success in the coming years. Thank you.
I was preparing to say this when I started talking. Somraj sir, so I will repeat a couple of sentences. Now he is here. So I am Somraj sir's student. In 1990s, in the middle of 1990s, and when I was here, I spent all my early years here in Vizag. Somraj sir దగ్గర నేను మ్యాథ్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాను. సో ఆయన దగ్గర మ్యాథ్స్ నేర్చుకొని నేను ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాసి ఇంజనీరింగ్ సీట్ వచ్చి తర్వాత యూఎస్ వెళ్ళి తర్వాత 20 years యూఎస్లో పనిచేసి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద టీచర్స్ who actually gave us the foundation to whatever we did. So, sir, that's chepta unnanu meer raaledu. So, thank cheptani sir, thank you so much, sir. So, please Miro, if you can come and say a few words. Sir.
ఎందుకంటే దీంట్లో ఇది కనెక్షన్ ఉంది లైవ్
గాయత్రి మంత్రేణ సారీ సభని ఆహుతులైన సరస్వతి పుత్రులందరికీ పుత్రికలు కూడా సరస్వతి పుత్రులు అందరికీ కూడా స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. First, at the outset, I am proud of my Sitaram, and who has not only have his own industry somewhere else, but he wants to do something to the reformation of the education system. He already established some labs in other states also, Acharya Institute, and he asked many issues, approached us, and he also approached us, but we are hesitant of providing space. ఎందుకంటే మీ అందరూ చాలామంది తెలుగు వచ్చింది కాబట్టి తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడచ్చు. నేను మెడికల్ కాలేజీలో అయితే స్టూడెంటు హ్యూమన్ బాడీ హాస్పిటల్ నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటాడు. వాడికి హ్యూమన్ బాడీ ఒకటే ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్, అందుకు దాని నుంచి అన్నీ నేర్చుకోవచ్చు వాడు. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చేప్పటికి ఇండస్ట్రీ ఒకటే కాదు, ఇండస్ట్రీ డిఫరెంట్ ఫేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అన్ని ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ని మనం క్యాంపస్లోకి పట్టరాలేము, అన్ని ఇండస్ట్రీస్ని పట్టరాలేము. కొన్నే పట్టుకొచ్చి ఇండస్ట్రీలో పనిచేసాను అని అనుభవం అంటే ఏమిటండి అని. అనుభవం అంటే చేత్తో పనిచే మైండ్ సెట్. మెయిన్గా ఇండస్ట్రీలో కల్చరు, టైంకి వెళ్ళడం, పనిచేయడం, కమిట్మెంటు, జాబ్ ఉంటే ఆ జాబ్ ఫినిష్ చేయడం, కంప్లీట్ ది జాబ్ ఇన్ టైం. దట్ ఈస్ ది ఎసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇండస్ట్రీ. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ వర్క్, అందుకే ఇండస్ట్రీలో వచ్చే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఇంటికి మోసుకుపోతూ ఉంటారు బొరతోటి కంప్యూటర్ ల్యాబ్ పెట్టుకుని. ఫినిషింగ్ ది జాబ్, దట్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్ షుడ్ కమ్ టు ది స్టూడెంట్స్. ఉద్దేశంతో వెన్ ఈ సెడ్ ఇట్, I really accepted it, and when the students are involved in that, learning is different. The skill of learning, how do you grab the industry competency? That, Kurchan Sitaram, if you will sit, I will be more happy to, Kurchan, I'll be, because you are more than all of us. Because we teach in the class, but you have taught beyond the class. When you do these things, what is the advantage he gets? He does not get any advantage. He gets disadvantage because some unskilled people will be spoiling sometimes. If you employ employee gets, then if he does not do the job, he can fire. But he cannot fire, he has to teach him how to do. That is the difference here that comes. And when he comes here and when he said it, we have 3 types of MOUs with the industry. And in the technical campus, we finalize Bajaj Electricals, that is there, that is going to come up shortly there. And Mastership in the main campus, here can. These 3 are 3 different modes, all are not same. Here directly industry sits, there industry collaborate in a distant future and try to develop a product. There they give skill training to the students. Not like this. All the industries, every should provide to the best of their abilities to the institutes to grow. I thank you, sir, for having Sitaram with us, and మీకు చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు కూడా. గాయత్రితో అతను కూడా అసోసియేట్ అయ్యి నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్ ఎవరు ఉంటారా ఏం చేస్తారా అని వెతున్నప్పుడు he is also getting associated with Gayatri. I am really happy to see, and people can come and do better things. Coming to the next point, when they are doing this, the space is not as per his requirement. He wants 5,000 square feet. And he said, you cannot provide it. But we have provided it. You can use all our campus. And he can use all our campus whenever it is necessary. And if God, and we are thinking this year, having at least 15 to 20 startups in the campus, all the campuses. We will get it. There is no doubt about it. And I should praise my students of GVP College of Women who are developing good products. We will have at least 5 or 10 patents with products that are coming up and seen in the market. Sure, I can say that they can employ. And he has, before coming here, he recruited many of our students. And our students are there. I think he can showcase their students. He is also first student of our campus, and a very I think you should see a dynamic people who has recruited. He has recruited very dynamic people who are doing wonderfully well. And yesterday, I don't know what are they, but while working with them, the success of Sitaram depends upon his team. The team who has selected and the other gentlemen, there are people working. Why I am asking, yesterday when you are doing it, there is no boss, no servant. They themselves arranged everything here. They carried it, they swept it. చీపురుతో పట్టు తుడిచి కూడా అరేంజ్ చేశారు. ఒక స్వీపర్ రావాలి, ఒక అటెండర్ రావాలి, ఒక వీడు రావాలి. మధ్యాహ్నం చూస్తే ఇది ఒక మెస్లా ఉంటే సాయంకాలం 6. That is a great. Then they have plan in their mind, but they have time to schedule it. And I really appreciate the team that you have, sir. And I am sure that they will translate this into action for the students also. And our students also will be trained like that in future. Not only in technical skills, but other competencies also. I am really happy. And we are going to build 2 more floors on this existing 4 floors. And we welcome the industries to come up and start. All the 3 campuses, different industries will come, and within 5 years, we will see 5 or 10 industries stay in the campus with what are the startups in all the things. we are going to go develop products of Gayatri. By next year, you will be seeing Gayatri microcontrollers into the market, GVP market, Gayatri microcontrollers. Gayatri breadboards you will be seeing everywhere. We will supply it to the colleges, and we will supply our softwares to the colleges. We will make our ECE students proud to send the failed medical instruments to get them repaired in this campus. This will be that center. Because I have an young dynamic force of students with a lead given by Sitaram. I really thank you, sir. And Gayatri will bless you with more good thoughts and all these things. ఇప్పుడే చెప్తూ వచ్చా, ఇదివరకైతే పాత రోజుల్లో ఫిలాసఫీకి వెళ్ళినట్టయితే రాముడు అవతార పురుషుడు, కృష్ణుడు అవతార పురుషుడు, కలియుగంలో అవతార పురుషుడు ఉంటాడు. కలియుగంలో అవతార పురుషుడు అని ఉండడు. దేర్ విల్ బి డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మాట్స్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్. ఒక రూపంలో ఉండడు. అందరూ తలో రూపంలోనూ ఉండి సొసైటీలో తలో కారణంలోనూ పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటారు. మీ ఎదురు రాముడు పుట్టినప్పుడు అప్పుడు వాళ్ళు రాముడు భగవంతుడు అవతారం అని అనుకుని ఉండరు. కృష్ణుడు అవతారం అని అనుకుని ఉండరు. అలాగే పనులు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అవతార పురుషుడు అన్నవాడు ఒక అవతారంలా అంటే హీ డూయింగ్ గుడ్స్ టు సొసైటీ. ధర్మాన్ని రక్షించడం, సొసైటీకి కావాల్సింది చేయడం. నువ్వేం మోసుకుపో భుజాన్ని. I went to Vijay Kumar today, who is a great man of the city and who has contributed a lot to the society. Never seen anything back. చాలా గొప్పవాడు. అర్థాంతంగా నేను వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. అతని పిల్లల్ని కూడా చాలా బాగా ట్రైన్ చేసి చాలా గొప్పవాడు. అదే ఫీల్ అయ్యి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ రియల్ లాస్. అతను జీవితంలో చాలా సఫర్ అయ్యాడు. అవన్నీ పూర్వజన్మ సుకృత ఫలాలే, ఈ జన్మలో తను చేసినవేం కాదు. అండ్ మా దాంట్లో మెంబర్గా ఉండి మాకు మంచి సలహాలు ఇచ్చి ఐజీఐటీలో కూడా వాటిలో ఉండి చాలా మంచివాడు. ఇలాటే అండ్ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రియలిస్ట్గా అవుతారు. అలాగే ఇప్పుడు సీతారామన్ మీరు చూడొచ్చు. ఇలాగా రేపు పొద్దున కొండాలపోయిన విశాఖపట్నం చరిత్ర రాసినప్పుడు వీళ్ళందరూ వస్తారు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద పీపుల్ హూ కెన్ కాంట్రిబ్యూట్. దే మే నాట్ క్యారీ ఎనీథింగ్ విత్ దెమ్. మీ పిల్లలకి ఇది ఇస్తా అంటే నాకు ఇది అక్కర్లేదు నాన్న, ఈ ఇల్లు అక్కర్లేదు, ఈ వాకిలు అక్కర్లేదు, నేను సంపాదించుకుంటానులే. గివ్ మీ ది స్ట్రెంగ్త్ టు ఎర్న్. దట్ ఈస్ ది స్లోగాన్ ఆఫ్ ది చిల్డ్రన్ టుడే. డోంట్ ఎర్న్ మనీ ఫర్ మీ, డోంట్ గివ్ ఎనీథింగ్ టు మీ, గివ్ మీ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ అండ్ కరేజ్ టు ఎర్న్. మనం ఉన్న ఇల్లు కూడా వాళ్ళకి అక్కర్లేదు. అది సిచ్యువేషన్. who contribute. I want all youngsters to take it serious and all teachers think differently. 50-60 ఏళ్ల కింద కూర్చున్న పుస్తకంలో ఉన్న థియరమ్స్, పుస్తకంలో ఉన్న థియరీ చెప్తానంటే ఒప్పుకోం, అక్కర్లేదు. ఇవాళ వస్తూ ఆలోచిస్తున్నా సీక్వెన్స్ అండ్ సిరీస్ పాఠం ఎలా చెప్పాలి పిల్లలకి. డాలమిస్ రేషియో టెస్ట్ ప్రూఫ్ చెప్పేయడం, కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్ ప్రూఫ్, అవేం ప్రూఫ్ అక్కర్లేదు వాడికి. యూ షుడ్ నో హౌ టు యూజ్ ద టూల్. అంతే కదా, లిమిట్ కట్టి వాడి లిమిట్ని బట్టి చెప్పేయడం కదా కావాలి. దాని ప్రూఫ్ ఎందుకు వాడికి? ది సేమ్ ఈజ్ ది టూల్. హీ షుడ్ నో హౌ టు యూజ్ ద టూల్, వాట్ ఆర్ ది కన్స్ట్రెయింట్స్. అందు పాఠం చెప్తే వాళ్ళు నోటీస్ దాంట్లో చెప్తూ సీక్వెన్స్ కన్వర్జెన్స్, సిరీస్ కన్వర్జెన్స్ చెప్తూ తేడాలు చెప్తూ ఏ టూల్ ఎప్పుడు వాడాలి. He will give the tool to us and he will make them rise and all these things. Thank you, sir. I should really profusely thank you for all the opportunity given to you. And I should thank, నమస్కారం అమ్మా, మీరు మంచి ఇవ్వండి ఇచ్చారు, ఇది చాలా ఆనందం. నైస్ సార్, రియల్ చాలా ఆనందం. థ్యాంక్స్ సార్.
వాడాడు కదా, మీరేమన్నారు సార్, మీ వాడాడు అంత వాడాడు,
అంత వాడయ్యాడు. చాలా
మీలాంటి టీచర్స్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ కూడా వాడి మీద ఉందిగా.
అంతా ఇంట్లో పెంచిన చెట్టు కదమ్మా, ఇంట్లో తులసి మొక్క ఎక్కడ వేసినా తులసి మొక్కే.
We also request Principal Sir to address us.
I'll use the podium.
Yeah, sure. We don't have mic.
I'll speak the mic. Give it to me.
Can you close the mic?
No problem. No problem. Leave it as it is. Okay, want to put it as it says, eh? Professor P.S. Rao Garu, Honorable President Gayatri Vidya Parishad in absentia, Sri D. Dakshina Murthy Garu, Vice President Gayatri Vidya Parishad, Professor P. Somaraju Garu, Secretary Gayatri Vidya Parishad, elite members of Gayatri Vidya Parishad, Vice Principal Dr. G. Sudhir, Mr. Sitaram Penumetsa, Chief Technology Officer Candela Technologies, heads, deans and directors from sister institutions, heads of the departments, representative from Candela Technologies, distinguished guests, faculty members, dear students and ladies and gentlemen. A very warm good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the inauguration of this WISE Lab, that is Wireless Industry Systems Engineering Lab, established through the valuable collaboration between Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering for Women and Candela Technologies. Today is not merely the inauguration of a laboratory, it is the beginning of a new journey that bridges the gap between academic learning and industry expectations. This lab symbolizes our commitment to providing our students with contemporary technological exposure, practical skills, and industry-oriented education. In the rapidly evolving world of wireless communication, networking, IoT, cybersecurity, and next-generation communication systems, theoretical knowledge alone is not sufficient. Industries today seek engineers who can design, test, troubleshoot, innovate, and deliver solutions in real-world environments. The WISE Lab has been established precisely to meet this need. Through this facility, I am sure our students will gain hands-on experience with advanced wireless technologies and testing platforms, opportunities to work on industry-relevant projects and real-world problem statements, exposure to modern communication systems, network performance analysis, and wireless engineering tools, enhanced understanding of concepts that are often difficult to appreciate through classroom learning alone, practical skills that improve their employability and industry readiness. One of the most significant advantages of this collaboration is the opportunity for our students to engage with industry experts. They will learn directly from professionals who are shaping the future of technology. The WISE Lab will also open doors for internship opportunities with industry partners, collaborative research and innovation projects, skill enhancement aligned with current industry requirements, better placement prospects and career opportunities. For our faculty members, this lab will provide a platform for continuous learning, collaborative research, and curriculum enrichment. It will strengthen our ability to deliver education that is both academically rigorous and industrially relevant. I sincerely thank the President, Vice President, Secretary, and elite members of Gayatri Vidya Parishad and the leadership of Candela Technologies for partnering with us in this important initiative. Your support demonstrates a shared vision of nurturing future-ready engineers and creating an ecosystem where innovation thrives. To students, I encourage you to make full use of this facility. A laboratory becomes truly successful not because of the equipment it houses, but because of the ideas it generates, the problems it solves, and the innovations it inspires. Let this WISE Lab become a hub of creativity, experimentation, and technological excellence. As an institution committed to empowering women engineers, we believe that this facility will help our students develop the confidence, competence, and leadership qualities required to excel in the global technology landscape. Let us view today's inauguration as a step forward, towards creating engineers who are not only technically sound, but also innovative thinkers, problem solvers, and future leaders. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Gayatri Vidya Parishad, Candela Technologies, our faculty, staff, students, and everyone who contributed to making this initiative a reality. With great pride and optimism, I feel that this WISE Lab will add to growth, learning, and success of our students. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Now we request our beloved Sudhir sir to come and talk.
My pranams to the elders here, Professor Somaraj Garu, Dakshina Murthy Garu, Raja Ganapathi Garu, VSRK Prasad Garu, and Achyutaram sir, Veerabhadrarao Garu, then Professor Venkatrao Garu, and Professor Krishna Subbarao, all who have come here, Deepika Rani madam, then Avdani sir, and Sarita madam. See, actually to say this, it is actually our late Kameswarrao Garu's idea that has taken shape today. Because it was really his support, because he went behind Sitaram Garu and told, లేదు మనకి ఇక్కడ గాయత్రిలో మీరు పెట్టవలసిందే అని అడిగింది కామేశ్వరరావు గారే. సో కామేశ్వర గారి డ్రీమ్ అది ఈరోజు రియలైజ్ అవ్వడానికి వి థ్యాంక్ హిమ్. అంటే మా సరిత మేడం ఈస్ హియర్. షీ ఆల్సో ఫాట్ ఫర్ దిస్. ఓకే, బికాస్ ఇన్ 21 సీతారామం గారు కేమ్ అప్ విత్ దిస్ ఐడియా అండ్ హీ అప్రోచ్డ్ అవర్ గాయత్రి సోమరాజ్ గారు. They wanted to establish in main campus, but maybe at that time it did not materialize. Then now they came here and they wanted to establish in Dwaraka Nagar branch. Kameswara Garu tried his best to get it over there because he but I think Sitaram Garu did not like the place or something of that sort. So then they wanted to, then Kameswara Garu told, no, we shouldn't leave this. It should be done. And I think it is a dream come true because we never thought that we'll get this. Okay, it is a dream for us because with our lack of space, everything, then Somaraj Garu told, no, we'll get it. Don't worry. Then he had a discussion with Sitaram Garu and finally we realized it. It's really a dream come true for all the faculty present here. I thank each and every one of them for that our Gayatri Women's College could get this. It's a dream. We never thought that we'll get this. Okay. Thank you all for the support and which they have rendered, because that is very, very important because the students will learn a lot. I think it is for the first time in Andhra Pradesh, industry in campus has come. Because we had industry collaborated labs, industry collaborated they established skill development centers, but no industry in campus as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned. So I think we thank Sitaram Garu profusely for setting up his industry unit in Gayatri Vidya Parishad. Okay, because this helped the students a lot. It's not a small amount because I think we have around 8 students who are working in Candela. Okay, the women's team, and there is also the because it's a women's college, I'll just say that it's a women's team. They are doing good. And we hope because see, live interaction with, there will be around some 25 to 30 industry people working in campus. And when the industry people work in the campus 25 to 30, it's a really blessing to all the students and faculty because interaction, collaborative research, okay, in the area of communications, especially we have very good EC department in all the 3 campuses. It's a boon to all of them because we will not have such an interaction because industry people, it's very rare to talk to them. Because they have their schedules, their fixed timings. When academic schedule today, if suppose we want, we can slow down the chapter which you are teaching, but in industry doesn't allow it. Okay, so they have fixed timings, they stick on to the schedules. We will be learning a lot from them because when they are in the campus, they will also keep us on our toes and they will be giving us, we request them also to include in their R&D also some of our faculty who are very good in the area of wireless communications. It will help both of us. That collaborative environment is what is needed And as Somaraj Garu suggested, if God blesses us, we will have some more centers working in our campuses. Okay, that will be a great boon to all of us. Let us hope for the best. With this, I thank each one of you who has collaborated to this and who has made this project successful, because it is a dream come true for all of us. And all the faculty members yesterday and all, they were tiring a lot to get this, get into shape. And Professor Veerabhadra Garu must be congratulated, because we never thought that we'll get all this in this fast time, because the time given to him was very Bhavani madam, yes. I think today morning also I called her. I think she has some other engagement today. So she told she'll because tirelessly the amount of work, because I think you have seen the auditorium and all. Even Sitaram sir and Akhil sir here, he used to ask me, sir, can we do it in time? But it has been done in time, because yesterday morning also we didn't realize that it would be done. But the afternoon onwards, Somaraj Garu was here. He has turned everything. We do not know how this has come to this shape also. Okay, so that with these few words, I think I've taken a lot of time, but not few words. But I thank each one of you who has contributed to the establishment of this WISE lab here. Thank you, each one of you. Pranams to the elders here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now we request our Sarita ma'am to talk.
Good morning to all the elders sitting here. మీరన్నట్టు మాకు కూడా సోమరాజ్ గారు, దక్షిణామూర్తి గారు, రాజగణపతి గారు ఆర్ డైరెక్ట్ గురూస్. ఆల్సో వీరభద్రరావు గారు, బికాజ్ మై బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఈజ్ సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. సో ఐ వాజ్ హిస్ డైరెక్ట్ స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్ హిస్ క్లాస్. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఐ గ్రూ అప్ అండర్ దమ్. ఎంటెక్లో అవధాన్ గారు నాకు డైరెక్ట్, ఐఎమ్ హిస్ డైరెక్ట్ స్టూడెంట్. సో గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఎవ్రీ వన్. Speaking towards the end is difficult, but I'll add few points. First time when I met Sitaram Garu, we had such similar conversation. ఆయన కాన్వర్జేషన్స్, ఆయన ప్యాషన్ కొంచెం ఇన్ఫెక్షియస్. సో ఆ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ నాకు పట్టి ఐ వెంట్ టు హిస్ ఆఫీస్ టు సీ హిస్ ఆఫీస్. ఐ సా ది ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్. దెన్ ఐ రియలైజ్డ్ ఐ సా Raju. Rajulo ఉన్న ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ టు వర్క్ విత్ హిమ్ వాజ్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్. Within the first meeting, and I think within 6 months there was another meeting, and Raju was like, నేను అప్పుడే 6 monthsలోనే జాయిన్ అయిన 1 yearకే నేను క్లయింట్స్తో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాను మేడం. I don't know whether I should quote it or not, but don't feel bad. It is a compliment to you. But when he joined the company, he was very underconfident about his communication skills, especially in English. But the changeover was so fast because of the exposure given by Sitaram Garu. I saw a different Raju on my second visit to the office. So then this visit's outcome was Sitaram Garu proposed to the campus principal and me that I want to do a small testing in your corridor. I want your classrooms filled with students, ECE students. తోనే నేను రౌటర్స్ అన్నీ బిగింపించి, ఇప్పటికీ ఉన్నాయి ఆ రౌటర్స్ ఆ ఫ్లోర్లో. సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఒకటే ఉంది, అప్పుడు మనకి థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ లేదు సార్. దెన్ దాట్ బ్యాచ్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఐ థింక్ 5 girls, more number of girls came forward to do the crimping, the fixing of the routers to the roof, wiring కి ఏమైనా ladder వేసుకుని ఎక్కడానికి అక్కడక్కడ బాయ్స్ హెల్ప్ చేశారు. బట్ all the team of 8 members have settled very well, and they haven't left and shifted to software too. They have stuck on to ECE core companies. That was my first journey with Sitaram Garu. That was the first campus I think you came of Gayatri Institutes. అక్కడి నుంచి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ వీ హ్యాడ్ 3-4 visits to ద్వారకానగర్ క్యాంపస్, కానీ అది మెటీరియలైజ్ అవ్వలేదు with Kameshwarao sir. He was determined. First we thought Rushikonda campus, then we saw Dwarkanagar campus, but then it didn't materialize. But thank you for making it possible here, sir. Congratulations, Sitaram Garu. Welcome to the Gayatri family. Eppudu meer family hai, but now you are very close family with us, and this is, as everybody has mentioned, ఒక యూనిక్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఫర్ అస్ టు సీ అన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ ల్యాబ్ విదిన్ ది క్యాంపస్. ఒక రకమైన ఎక్సైట్మెంట్, ఒక రకమైన క్యూరియాసిటీ. I don't know how much the students are excited about it, because always whenever we speak to HRs, and Venkatrao sir will agree with me, any meeting we go, they say academia ki, industry ki gap undi, we have to bridge the gap. So yalla, nobody was talking about yalla. We were trying our best. Whatever our common sense told, as teachers we were all doing, trying to give you as much as is possible. But I think this step will bring that change, intensity of change to another level. Thank you very much, and congratulations to both Candela Technologies and GVP for making this happen. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సార్ మీరు ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడతారు? ఓకే ఓకే సార్. సో నౌ ఐ వాంట్ సార్ చూపించండి సార్. Now Vaishnavi, she is like third year, a student of Gayatri Women's. She wants to talk, please.
Good morning everyone and all the dignitaries present here. I am Siri Vaishnavi and I would like to share my experience of training with Candela Technologies. Over the past few weeks, Charishma, Amrita and I had the opportunity to come here and work with Candela Technologies. I would like to tell about the AP testing that we did. So there is, as Sir said, as Sitaram Sir said, there was access point testing in the auditorium, and we measured the signal strength and throughput of the access point at different locations. And this was done using a robot. This can be, and as someone who has seen a robot for the first time in real life, it was really fascinating for all of us. And thanks to Sai Kiran sir, Arif sir and Yashwant sir for explaining all the concepts and guiding us and supporting us. And then we also participated in House in a Box setup. Thank you Shamla ma'am and Sirisha ma'am for not only explaining the architecture and connections of the setup, but also we performed the cabling of the House in a Box setup. And it has, though my fingers are still recovering from the sore pain, we really enjoyed the fixing the cabling. And I would like to thank Akhil sir for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much sir for answering all of our questions with your patience. And also I would like to express my gratitude to Sitarama sir for bridging the gap between the classroom training and industry. This training was some much needed exposure for us, all three of us, and it has opened a new career path for me. Wireless communications, I did not know about this before, and I got to explore this through Candela, and I would like to keep learning more about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
అందరినీ ఆనర్ చేస్తాను అక్కడ షాల్ పెడతాను. తర్వాత చూద్దాం. మీ పేరు అఖిలేనా?
అఖిలే సార్. మీరు కూడా వెళ్తున్నారు వెళ్ళండి. సాయికరణ.
ఎందుకంటే పుత్రుడు పుట్టగానే గొప్ప కాదు, పుత్రుడిని పొగిడినప్పుడు వచ్చే ఆనందమే మన ఆనందం. అది మీరు మీ అబ్బాయిని ఇవ్వడమే, మీ అబ్బాయికి మంచి పనులు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అందరూ జనం మెచ్చుకుంటేనే మన జన్మ తృప్తి. అది మీరు సాధించారు. అది మేము అందరూ కూడా అలాంటి సాధించాలని కూడా కోరిక మాకు. సీతారాం ఒక్క నిమిషం కూర్చొని అందరూ కూడా పక్కకు రా.
అఖిల్
సీతారాం.
బాస్ నేనే.
This is our story. अरे सीताराम सर बोल रहे. ओके. This is SARS parents. SARS parents. ఈ మూడు నుంచి తీసుకున్నారు. త్వరగా ఇదిగో. రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ తీసుకొని మూడు సార్ వాళ్ళ కార్కైనా లేదా సార్ వాళ్ళ బ్రదర్ కార్కైనా పంపించేసి ఈ3
When I started having some conversation with because I was like, he has a lot of experience in everything, but the way he welcomed me and gave me an opportunity to talk, 5 to 10 minutes, is one of the memory I have. And he's so much for all the things and your vision of
దీంతో మాట్లాడాలా
in college, in the college, it's a great inspiration for all of us. Thanks for doing that. And also giving us space and all the support and a warm welcome. Thank you so much from the Candela team. And Rajkumar sir, thank you so much for all the support and guidance from bringing up the lab till this state. Thank you so much for that. Sudhir sir, he always say one thing, just call me whenever you need. I will make sure everything is done. Because of him, we could able to make the lab as early as possible. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you so much. And Bhavani ma'am, I was really impressed with ma'am, because ma'am is talking with 100 people. To bring this lab to this stage, lot of people we work together, electrical people, plumbing people, glasswork people, everyone coordinating with them is a great task. Ma'am really helped on that. I really want to thank. Unfortunately, ma'am is not here. But I really want to thank ma'am. Later, several people from GVP helped us, Srinivas is one of the electrical team of GVP. The way they support, on the underneath of this floor, there are several Ethernet cables and electrical cables that are going through. His team helped us a lot on that. And also the putty work people and everyone, I really want to thank to them. And from Candela side, we have our Ganesh. Ganesh is a part of our IT team.
Good morning to one and all. Here, I'm also one of the GVP alumni, which was under GVP Rishikonda, under the guidance of Sarita ma'am. And also to go through this lab setup and all those things, when Sitarama suggested this idea, we have been thinking this, is this possible or not? Can this be worked out for the further process, and also it will be helpful for everyone or not? We are on the questioning state. But now I can see that when we are going through these setups and all those things, and we believe that this was the best idea, where during my studies I have been thinking that the relation between this industry and this college would be a vital scenarios where students can improve their knowledge and getting to know those things, and it would be easier for the students to go through these work environments and all those things for the further future. And also here I am very much thankful for Sarita ma'am and Sitarama sir. I have completed 4 years successfully in Candela, and because of this Sitarama only, because his plan of actions and all those leadership was an game changer thing for me, because I am here and standing with the experience of 4 years and handling this all our branches of the Candela with the IT networking things. And I am really grateful for Sitarama to getting this opportunity. And I think this office would be an example of innovations which students and our working environment, our colleagues will be going through and emerging through these walls and getting their good success for each and everyone. And I think thank you from my side, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ganesh. Now, from our team, services team, we have Sai Kiran, who has been from the day one to now. He did lot of activities here, helping to setting up the labs and organizing everything. I want Sai Kiran to come and talk here. He's a part of Gayatri Autonomous College.
Hi sir. Good morning. I was passed out, I have studied in Gayatri and passed out 2022 batch. So I have been here since 3.5 years with the Candela team. So firstly, I would like to sincerely thank GVP College management for giving this space and inviting us into your campus. And special thanks to Sitarama sir, because in this age, we would never experience this type of building an entire lab or building an entire office for ourselves. So Sitarama sir ideology is that we should build our own houses, we should build our own offices, and we should build our entirely ourselves. So I like that idea. So I'm happy that I have been part of that entirely building process and all. So I would like to sincerely thank Sitaram sir for that. And my special thanks to my coordinator Akhil. He's like my brother. So thank you for putting more trust and giving this responsibility for this. And I thank all my colleagues who worked along with me and all. So in our daily life, like we usually work with wireless systems and Wi-Fi and all. So the biggest strength we test various access points and we test like signal strengths and throughputs and connectivity. But the biggest strength by building this entire office is the trust. I believe it's a trust. The trust from the management, the trust from the college, the trust from the Sitaram sir and all. So I hope that we build this complete trust, move on forward and longer. So I'm happy that I was being here. I am an GVPN and also an Candelian. Thank you.
I just want to take like another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Hope you can able to hear me. So I have been seeing WhatsApp status like Sitarama some line called "Living the Dream." This is something every day. Like I used to see that. It inspires me a lot. One of the dreams Sitarama always talks with us is like establishing a industry in a college to help the students in Vizag. This is the earlier dream of Sitarama. Later, he started in Bangalore and Chennai, but we are all eagerly waiting when we can able to do in Vizag. Now, in this special moment, like we have done in GVP college, and thank you Sitarama and Saujanya ma'am and Raju giving an opportunity to us to be a small part of dream to fulfill this dream. By saying, I would like to thank each and everyone who helped in this project, and looking forward like we want to interact with the students a lot and we want to work with them. Thank you so much.
So we have a cake that we want to cut. So and then we also have some refreshments after this. And we also have some demos, some equipment. We have our new robot that we built. So if anyone is interested in learning a little bit more about our technology, the Gayatri students who work in our office are here to actually show you the equipment. So if anyone is interested, please go and check out what we have. This space will have a lot more equipment over the next few months. Right now we have very minimal setups, but we plan to bring a lot of equipment and set up labs and invite a lot of our customers to come to this lab as well. So thank you so much everyone for coming. So we'll do the cake cutting and then we'll have snacks and the tour of the labs. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Vardhan.
Yeah, okay. Hi guys, so since they are all cutting the cake, right, so we named this lab as Wise Lab. So on 3, if everyone could shout Wise Lab, then we can start the cake cutting. Okay? On 3, 3, 2, 1, Wise Lab! Once again, 3, 2, 1, Wise Lab! Thank you.
టిష్యూ ఇవ్వాలి, ఎవరు తీసి పెడతారు?
ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ అయితే
అదే
ఇక్కడ అయితే నేను తీసుకెళ్ళి నేను
వీళ్ళు కట్ చేస్తారు. టిష్యూ ఉందా?
టిష్యూ
పడతారు. అదే మీకు పెట్టేస్తారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఫ్రేమ్ పెద్దదా
అన్న కొంచెం కేక్ తీసుకొచ్చి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసేద్దాం అందరికి. అంటే కొంచెం హెల్ప్ చేయరా? అంటే కేక్ కట్ చేసి మల్టిపుల్ అందరికి కానీ కొంచెం హెల్ప్ చేయరా? సైడ్
Some people might call it midlife crisis. For me, it was an awakening. I realized that life must be more than just buying more houses and expensive cars. After 20 years in the US, I wanted to come back to India to spend time with my parents and do something in my hometown. I still remember my son hugging our car in tears as we let go of 2 decades of memories.
Five years ago, I was the very first employee Sitaram hired in India. Just me, a laptop, a lot of questions in my mind. Was this the right decision? Well, of course, every challenge turned to a lesson. I really felt happy when we were cutting the ribbon in our new office.
Years back we started thinking about our Bangalore office, and 1 month of time we set it up, all the screen room, real device testing lab, open Wi-Fi testing lab, and now we have almost 15 members working here in Candela India's Bangalore office.
Some people might call it midlife crisis. For me, it was an awakening. I realized that life must be more than just buying more houses and expensive cars. After 20 years in the US, I wanted to come back to India to spend time with my parents and do something in my hometown. I still remember my son hugging our car in tears as we let go of 2 decades of memories.
Five years ago, I was the very first employee Sitaram hired in India. Just me, a laptop, a lot of questions in my mind. Was this the right decision? Well, of course, every challenge turned to a lesson. I really felt happy when we were cutting the ribbon in our new office.
Years back we started thinking about our Bangalore office, and 1 month of time we set it up, all the screen room, real device testing lab, open Wi-Fi testing lab, and now we have almost 15 members working here in Candela India's Bangalore office.
We started working on many services projects. Suddenly we got a huge project that requires multiple resources and team. That is where we required a lot of space, and in Vizag we opened the second office.
Sir suddenly came and said like, we are opening new office in Chennai. I was really shocked.
Initially we were only having like 1 or 2 projects going on. Now we have so many projects, so many customers we are working with, so many new products we are working, lots of things are going on.
4 years, we have been working on the web UI solutions, where we are creating exciting web UIs for automating the whole info solution, where you have the real devices. And now we also have home in the box solution, where you can create multiple networks, just like how you have in the real time, and you can automate this using all in a single click.
Set my eyes on the prize, beating at the truth from the lies in the skies. Shooting up the ocean floor to the skies. I go beyond skies, I'm leveling up, living life, fly size. Got a rock steady mind, ain't nobody gotta stop me. I take 'em down, I'm the one man army. Call me, will never mercy, I succeed. You know who this is, I'm bringing the heat. And they come with dog for your cheese. Don't be giving dog for your cheese. And they come with dog for your cheese. And they come with dog. Don't be giving dog for your cheese. And they come with dog for your cheese. 2. Watch how you know who be coming through 3. Perseverance runs on my chemistry 4. 5. You never there for my drive. 6. I've never felt more alive. 7. Forever touching new heights. 8. Breaking to escaping the freedom. I ain't taking no watch on no reruns. Different kind, woman, legion. Let's go. One more time, I'm regaining control. Take it back to wheel the drive to my goals. New days, I'ma never look at the old. Yo.
Candela.
This is my moment, beholding the token. I'm cashing my efforts, the runs, I'm golden. They folding them, soaring the gifts out of pouring this in. Rising up to when you gone. I've been playing the game for the long. Taking the past, you making me strong. I'ma be gone.
The past 5 years have been nothing short of magical. If I have to choose one word, it would be gratitude. My happiest moments, it was not just the business growth. It's when an employee with tears in her eyes told me, "Sir, my family lived on daily wages. We never had a bank account. Today, I opened one with my own earnings." This is when life makes sense. When you use every gift God has given you to serve others, to play even a tiny role in turning your land of origin into a land of opportunity. Five years of Candela India, 5 years of love, learning and growth, and we are only just beginning. Some people might call it midlife crisis. For me, it was an awakening. I realized that life must be more than just buying more houses and expensive cars. After 20 years in the US, I wanted to come back to India to spend time with my parents and do something in my hometown. I still remember my son hugging our car in tears as we let go of 2 decades of memories.
Five years ago, I was the very first employee Sitaram hired in India. Just me, a laptop, a lot of questions in my mind. Was this the right decision? Well, of course, every challenge turned to a lesson. I really felt happy when we were cutting the ribbon in our new office.
Years back we started thinking about our Bangalore office, and 1 month of time we set it up, all the screen room, real device testing lab, open Wi-Fi testing lab, and now we have almost 15 members working here in Candela India's Bangalore office.